Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I am Chen, a partner of SNZ Holding. Thank you very much for having me here. Some of you may know us very well, some of you may not, but it's always exciting to meet new friends. SNZ is a crypto fund based in Asia. We have local contacts in the States and Europe as well. Our founders have been great supporters of the Ethereum project since 2016. We worked closely with Ethereum developers and the community in the past few years. As an investor, I envision that blockchain technology will lead us to a better future, definitely, with protected privacy, validated data, distributed supercomputing, and decentralized finance, etc. If we look back 3 years when the ICO bubble burst, we may be kind of hesitating and doubt where will this lead us to, right? But now look around the flourishing DeFi and the NFT markets, and this is truly happening and accelerating. We are more than just a crypto fund. We have been trying our best to build a hub connecting different resources to empower research, technology, and the new business models in this industry. We call it an ecosystem. Investment is just one piece of the puzzle. Other pieces also include acceleration, community engagement, innovation lab, enterprise solutions, and consultancy. We currently have 3 early stage projects in the accelerator, which are all based on permissioned chains due to the local regulations. But we offer a shared working space, more than 30,000 square feet for international projects, having their local developers and the teams to enter in the market. We launched a blockchain innovation lab together with Plug and Play China in the purpose of discovering and incubating innovative ideas. With this platform, we can leverage the global resources in the Plug and Place network to cultivate the synergy between the crypto and the traditional world. There were several successful stories for enterprise level applications. We truly believe that the permissioned enterprise solutions will also have a fruitful future, especially in China. Our founders grew from the Ethereum community and were few of the earliest of evangelists preaching blockchain technology back in the days in China. We have hosted a series of important meetups since 2016, as you can see in this slide. We grew deep roots in the Ethereum developers community, as well as future developers in top Chinese universities, such as ETH Planet and the BTCU. Resources have been allocated to discover and support those excellent teams and leaders in the communities. Talking about the consultancy, we provided solutions and the strategical plans for our partners to develop their local businesses. We also educated and helped our local government officers establish the guidance for the development of a local blockchain industry and lay out the blueprint. The above mentioned 6 blocks generally summarize the current SNZ business. Here, I just want to show you a selected portfolio of SNZ invested. The Ethereum 2.0 is placed here for our believing that Ethereum will continue leading this game regardless of the current market noises. We are betting heavily on the ecosystem. At early stage, as you can see, our investment was basically technology driven, from smart contract platforms to scalability solutions from interoperability to composability, from zero knowledge proofs to multi-party computation, etc. Decentralized finance turned out to be the most successful application so far, followed by the NFT right now. As the infrastructure becomes more mature, our investment strategy gradually shifts from tech-driven to thesis-driven. We're trying our best to help bootstrap the projects in early stage. Currently, we are running about 20 verification and staking nodes, as well as the routers. The equivalent locked up assets amounts up to a few $100 million. People named the internet booming in the past 20 plus years as an internet megatrend. I think we are now in the crypto megatrend, started from 2008 as Satoshi published the Bitcoin white paper, right? Here, I don't want to reiterate the Web3 stack and so forth, but rather I'd like to shed some light on the 4 basic points either we learned or collected from the conversations with other investors. By the way, if you are interested, our partner Kai is going to host a panel discussing the crypto and NFT in Metaverse tomorrow. First, from an investor standpoint, the crypto world is currently under transitioning. The infrastructure is gradually mature and ready to convey trillions of dollars of assets. 2 to 3 years ago, if you remember, we were still discussing the Keynote app, but now you barely hear any. The DeFi booming gave us an answer, right? So now the NFT and the GameFi in Metaverse creates a lot of other noises. Then I think there will be no easy way later on for projects to overtake a few current low stack infrastructures such as Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, and Definity, etc. And also investing opportunities gradually move to upper stacks. Secondly, the originality and the creativity are still the most valuable factors pushing the industries forward. However, a lot of times this creates a lot of challenge for both investors and project founders, because a brand new idea or business model has no reference to follow, right? Do you dare to take those risks, right? Barely anybody before 2020 would imagine that Uniswap can grow the size as of today. And also the growth of Bitcoin was also full of doubts and uncertainties. However, pursuing this type of spirit needs a lot of courage, and also the returns are always fruitful. The third point I'm trying to make is timing is crucial but uncontrollable. For a long time, we were struggling on evaluating those factors affecting the success of an early stage project, including ideas. Ideas is important, right? Team execution, business model, and funding, timing, name it. Intuitively, you can think of any but timing. For example, but Bitcoin launched around 2008 during the crisis. Axis Infinity started taking off during the pandemic lockup. Yet the veteran traders will tell you that don't time the market. Yeah, we paid hard to learn. But as a strategical decision maker, you have to take timing into your consideration. Last but not least, finding the dark horses. Due to the nature of the crypto world, many projects that got listed are so immature and they can be the dark horses once there is a fundamental change. I think that's a common agreement of many investors. For those project founders, got listed is just the beginning of the journey. A lot of adventures are ahead. That's all I want to share at this point. If you are interested, you can always find us through many different ways listed here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you and your family stay safe and healthy during this pandemic. Stay tuned.